Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. Are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Yes, I am a student. What do you do? What do you do? I work in an office. I work in an office. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. Welcome to our place. Welcome to our place. How was your day? How was your day? My day was good. My day was good. Nice weather today. Nice weather today. It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day. How is your family? How is your family? My family is fine. My family is fine. Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby? Yes, I live here. Yes, I live here. This is my friend. This is my friend. His name is David. His name is David. She is my sister. She is my sister. I am new here. I am new here. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. Long time no see. Long time no see. How can I help you? How can I help you? Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Please come inside. Please come inside. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Would you like some water? Would you like some water? Yes, please. Yes, please. No, thank you. No, thank you. What time is it? What time is it? It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Are you free now? Are you free now? Yes, I am free. Yes, I am free. Let's talk for a while. Let's talk for a while. I like your name. I like your name. You speak very well. You speak very well. I am still practicing. I am still practicing. English is interesting. English is interesting. English is useful. English is useful. I want to improve. I want to improve. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. I feel confident now. I feel confident now. I am a beginner. I am a beginner. I am improving slowly. I am improving slowly. Everyone starts small. Everyone starts small. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are okay. Please correct me. Please correct me. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Let's practice together. Let's practice together. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. This lesson is helpful. This lesson is helpful. I understand better now. I understand better now. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Please say it again. Please say it again. Speak a little louder. Speak a little louder. That sounds good. That sounds good. I agree with you. I agree with you. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Take care. Take care. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. See you soon. See you soon. Thanks again. Thanks again. You are very kind. You are very kind. I feel motivated. I feel motivated. I will keep learning. I will keep learning. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. I am not afraid now. I am not afraid now. I can speak better. I can speak better. Step by step. Step by step. One day at a time. One day at a time. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will not give up. I will not give up. English opens doors. English opens doors. Communication is important. Communication is important. Practice every day. Practice every day. Small progress matters. Small progress matters. I feel proud today. I feel proud today. This is a good start. This is a good start. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I am ready to learn more. I am ready to learn more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode.